Hey, it's me, RoboGuy555 in the flesh and the bones and other fluids. Yeah, I haven't uploaded in a while, sadly, but I've had exams and other crap to deal with, but now that I'm on my winter break, I can finally show you all what I've been working on. So, I recently got an Arduino set and I built this thing. It's a burglar alarm. And it has an LED buzzer and an ultrasonic sensor. Bunch of wires connected to all sorts of different pins. Let me show you how it works. So it's designed to alert you if an object has been moved. So say we have our screwdrivers here. We'll keep this in front of the sensor and nothing will happen. But if we remove it, this LED is going to start flashing and a loud, horrific buzzing sound will play. So let's do not spoil the surprise. So as you can see, it may chirp a little bit, but so far, not much. Let me just move this in the center. So if I take the screwdrivers away, you can hear that. Yeah, your whole family will hear it. It'll wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear you say, "Welcome to hell. Such a lovely place." Take this off power for now. This thing has a pretty small form factor. If you just folded the boards over like this, you could probably end up sticking it in a cardboard box, get a couple zip ties going. But I'm not going to do that. This is just a breadboard project. It's relatively simple, so let's get down on the ground and I'll show you how it works. So the way this is built is you have an ultrasonic sensor with its input, trigger, echo, and ground pins. I'll maybe make a video explaining how an ultrasonic sensor works. But the basics is, from one of these speakers, it sends a sound wave. Say it bounces off of this, and it goes back into the other one. And those pulses, and that measurement is controlled by trigger and echo, respectively. And using that information, how long it takes for the sound to bounce back, it measures the distance like that. And the other components, this is a buzzer, nothing too special. You put a voltage across it, it makes a beep, very loud one as you heard. And this is just a red LED. So this bundle of 4 wires that I'm holding in my fingers, the red, green, orange, and gray, these 4 control the ultrasonic sensor. The red and the gray are for power and ground. This one is for trigger, and this one is for echo. And they're just put to some arbitrary digital pin. Echo is on 7, and trigger is on 8. For the LED, I just have this yellow wire going to the positive end, and just a resistor going into ground. For the buzzer, I have something similar going on. I just have this blue wire that's on pin 4, and a white wire going into the ground. And then I have this main gray ground cable that goes into the ground of the whole Arduino. And if you want to see the pins for this, here you go, take a screenshot. I don't know why it's so dark, but I guess it is. With all that put together, but basically, I've installed a library that measures the distance from the sensor in centimeters. It needs a little bit of tweaking, but whatever. So when that distance is measured to be more than 10 centimeters, so when an object is removed, pin 2, which if you remember is for the LED, is set to be on and then off again and again, so it blinks. And pin 4, which is for the buzzer, is just set to high. And when an object is nearer than 10 centimeters, both of those pins are set to low. So when you put all of that together, you get a nifty little burglar alarm. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you liked it, please be sure to hit the buttons, hit the like button. Comment below some ideas of what I should build next with the Arduino. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.